Hello there guys and welcome in another tutorial. So I was thinking a bit about it and we're gonna start from here. This is a scene about the mines, and what we're gonna do here, we're just gonna go to file and import, and we're gonna go to our project with Rails, go to scenes and import turn rails, as you can see over here. We're gonna make a layer for them. And also, what we're gonna do, we're gonna group them as you can see here. To group them, you can go to I think on edit group or Command G. Okay, so we have them grouped and we put them in the on the layer. And right now we're gonna do the same with the straight ones. Let me move this one, and we have straight ones over here. So as well, we group them. We group them and we put them on the layer. So right now, when we're gonna select both of them as a group, we can scale them like without the problems, and that's really important for us right now. I'm gonna need this one, so let's go back and try to put them on the correct places. Okay, let's put this on 90. As you can see, we possibly need to change a bit our plan about how the turn need to go, but that's fine. Okay, let's both of them right now. Put them up. Okay, nice. So at this point, we're just gonna duplicate this one, move them forward, duplicate, move forward. And also duplicate one more time, rotate it 90. As you can see, my naming convention, it was I wanted to put one on the end, so right now every single one, if I'm gonna duplicate, gonna increment, and I will know everything about it, like which mesh is this. Okay, that's pretty good. But now we have turn rails and all the straight rails as well are on the layer. so that's really good. Let's put them on the render because we don't need to use them at this point. Okay, so what we need right now those railway tracks. As you can see, our plan changed because this one was kind of rough idea. This one is nicely curved, and we're gonna go with the curved ones. So those tracks we're gonna delete, and as you remember from previous previous picture about the rails, we need those kind of columns supporting those. But those columns we can make over here. That's not gonna be a problem. We don't need to go to the other file to do that. Okay, at this point, I don't need none of those. And I'm gonna put this cube into this layer. So yeah, that's gonna fine. Make something like this, and I think I need to put them a bit down because those ones are just support. So let's check the wall now. We can make that. It's gonna start a bit before. It's fine. Actually, I'm gonna pull it a bit. Somewhere here it's gonna be perfect. Okay. So let's right now duplicate this. Scale it down. And rotate. With this we need to center pivot, so modify center. And let's duplicate again. This actually can be a bit smaller. Right now what I did, I double click it and I'm gonna change on the local coordinates of the object coordinates, so I'm gonna scale really nicely. And make this one small. I'm gonna duplicate again, move it. I'm gonna center pivot again. Gonna rotate it. I think I'm gonna need to rotate it a bit more and put them there. Okay. Gonna duplicate again. Rotate this one. Move it in place. And think that's gonna be the last one, which I have to make that small. So I'm gonna do it again. Let's change for the object one, just to make it bigger. Okay, duplicate it again. Okay, and that's gonna be, I think, one of the last, because this one's gonna be straight one. Rotation 90. Go for vertex and just expand it. Don't make too long, because this need to be a piece of wood, and we have some polygons. That's not a really high poly stuff. Okay, and we have our support. Okay, right now what we can do, we can select those, duplicate them, move them on the other side. Same thing we're gonna do with this. Duplicate them, move them on the other side. And right now you can see we're gonna have some issues over here. So we need to fix those. But that's gonna be quick and easy. Okay, now select all of those, move them. Them over here. As you can see, you need to make them a bit bigger. So don't worry about those spaces. At this point, we're gonna put later a bit more details to it. Actually, over here, I think it's gonna be much better if we're gonna include one more. Let's center pivot again. Rotate it. Move it a bit. Scale it. Move it. Okay. That's okay for now. We have a railway track, and on the next one we're gonna try to build support for it.